Hello and welcome to Froggity Frog Crochet and this stitch guide on how to crochet the bean stitch. So this is a beautiful looking stitch that creates rows of slanted puff stitch that interlock together. To start this stitch you're going to need a foundation chain in multiples of 2 plus 1 for your turning chain.
So for the bean stitch we're going to start in the third chain from a hook. So insert your hook into the chain, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, insert your hook into the chain, yarn over, pull up a loop, and one more time, yarn over, hook into the chain, yarn over, pull up a loop. You should have 6 loops on your hook. Now yarn over, pull through all 6 loops, then chain 1. You're going to skip the next stitch. The stitch after that we repeat. So hook into your chain, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, insert your hook into the same stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, insert your hook back into that same stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop. You'll have 6 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through all 6 loops, chain 1. You see your little puffs come through, and these are your individual beans. And we repeat this pattern all the way across. Skip the next stitch, hook into the next stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, back into the same stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, back into the same stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop. You have 6 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through all 6 loops, then chain 1. And we repeat this all the way across. Each bean is to the height of a single crochet, so we're not pulling up very far, just enough to get that height and make that little puff. And in your final stitch of the row you will make your last bean. You do not single crochet yet. You're going to turn and then chain 1. So in this row you're going to make every bean into a bean. If I just pull that, that is your bean there, that big loop. This here is your chain 1, and this is the side of the bean, and you're going to work into the side. So as before, insert your hook into the stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, and we do that until we have 6 loops on our hook, yarn over, pull through, chain 1. We ignore the chain 1 and we work into the side of the next bean, which is here. Insert your hook and pull up those loops until you have 6 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through, chain 1. You can see we've got the slants going on. So the previous row is slanted this way, and our beans in this row will be here. So we're creating a series of interlocking little bean puffs, and you continue that all through row 2. The rest of the beans in next rows will be a repeat of row 2, and you will always be working into the side of the bean in the row below. This stitch works up wonderfully whether in a single colour or multiple colours, and can also look really good with multicoloured yarn as well. Your final stitch will be in the side of the last bean, and you'll see the stitches on the side there, so it's quite easy to find and make that final stitch, and then turn and chain 1, and then you just repeat row 2 for as long as you need.
And there is your stitch guide on how to crochet the bean stitch. So I would love to see what you make with this beautiful looking stitch. Please do come and show us over in our Facebook group, Froggity Frogs Ribbons and Stitch. The link is beneath the video. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel as well for more crochet stitches, crochet patterns and hints and tips as well. So thank you for watching, and I shall see you next time in the next video. Bye for now.